Hi, this is DAMY and welcome to my channel. This is my first time opening a YouTube channel for the sole purpose of me sharing my life to the world. Not that I'm that important, I'm just a nobody. But yeah, so one of the reasons why I wanted to start is I wanted to share my life as a college student, struggling to stay focused every single time. And, you know, how is it really to be a student who lives in a usually noisy, not so quiet, and not so aesthetically pleasing kind of environment? Like, sometimes we're gonna hear some chickens, some dogs barking, motorbikes passing through and forth, children. No, those kinds of things happen on everyday basis, and us being in quarantine, yeah. And I'll also be sharing some of my interests, like in journaling, bullet journaling, my love for coffee. Like, you've seen the previous clips before this narration, and maybe about all things K, I guess, K-pop, K-dramas, me learning the Korean language. Maybe I could give some tips along the way, some of those. And lastly, I'd like this channel to be like, just a dump for me to stuff my attempts in improving some of my talents, if there is any, like, drawing, singing, dancing, some of those. And yeah, be kind to me if ever you stumble on this video, and see you on the next. Thank you. Bye.